Hi everyone. Today I'm talking about black curassow. The black curassow is a beautiful and unusual bird found in the tropical forests of northern South America. Its scientific name is Crax electa. It has glossy black feathers, a distinctive curled crest, and a colorful bill. Despite its large size, the black curassow spends much of its time walking on the forest floor. It feeds mainly on fruits, seeds, leaves, and small insects. These birds are important to the forest because they help spread seeds as they eat fruit. They usually live in dense, humid forests where they can find plenty of food and shelter. The black curassow is truly one of the fascinating birds of the South American rainforest. Thank you for listening. Subscribe for more.